morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, the ugly. Today's adventure is a water service.
Oh no.
We're going to be cutting the sidewalk up. Hopefully going to make a quick repair, because if not, it's going to turn into an all summer job. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I got my #1 man with me today, General Thomas.
The honest contractor is here.
Hey, we're right with you, brother.
I was going to keep this open for the dump truck and the jackhammer.
The squad's already here. All right, we're on the scene now. I'm gonna give you the quick heads up. Here's our problem child right here. It froze up this winter and leaks out this crack right here.
The electric lines in the way?
This is a filled basement, so we're gonna hopefully make a repair, because that's the best case scenario, because the summer season's here. We ain't got time to repipe no strip mall right now. And that's what would have to happen if we'd have to do the main into the building. Couple dollars.
Trying to make ends meet on a fixed income.
That sounds like Money Start right there. This guy, you're up, you're in, baby. Hey. You want yourself? I don't like my pump. My pump was rejected. Killing me over here with my gay little pump. Where's the boss? Here comes the boss.
See?
Is this a man's pump?
Yeah.
All right.
It was a little big for that.
Start it up, make sure it works.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's much better.
There, huh?
Thank you. Lee will do a concrete guy to bail the water out.
Hear it flowing.
It's flowing here, though.
There it is.
Okay, we gotta go down.
There it is.
Shut her off.
It's off.
You want to say anything here?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah. Right now I'm in a pinch. We're not even going to go. We got iron pipe instead of copper, which I'm very surprised at. Anyway, we don't have copper. We have galvanized, and it's in a real bad situation, as you saw. So what we're going to do, we're going to go clamp over the pipe, get them done for the summer, and then worry about the water service later, because they're going to have to change this at some point. If one leak happens, you know there's another one coming, and we're going for the quick repair. While at the supply house, they found another pinhole. So now I got 2 clamps, and I brought galvanized pipe and a couple dresslers, and wish me luck again, because we don't know what we got now. So obviously this main needs to be replaced, but we're going for the quick fix.
Mike, watch yourself, Chuck. Okay, you want me to lose
No, they're watching you. You don't know it yet, but your number's worldwide known now, baby.
He's in, Chuck.
Do you run into a fire with the thing like this behind you?
No, I don't want to do that no more.
Here I am. I'm Chuck. I'm running into the fire now.
Yeah, he's like this. Here, I'm going out of the fire.
Here we go, folks. Right here, little hole. Right there, Daddy. Right there's the hole.
Brom just finished chow.
Right off now. Where's this joker? Need a scraper.
We need Chuck. Yeah,
Scraper and rag.
scraper right here, Chuck. I figure with the truck it's easier to come down far.
Hey, George.
Push up here.
Let's make sure I did this right. All right.
Yeah. The bolt, then the nut, and washer, then nut.
Maybe not right.
Rag. Yeah, back here.
Yeah.
Come on.
The honest contractor at work.
The things we got to do.
Yeah. You got the open end, or?
Yeah. It's here somewhere.
Yeah, no, it's right here somewhere.
Want a ratchet? I don't have one,
What you meant to say, wouldn't it be nice to have a ratchet?
They're all having coffee without me. Here we go, boys. There's the hole. We're going to roll this around. Boom. Be done with it. Nah.
How thin the pipe is, that's going to be.
Yeah. Well, I brought pipe and a cop. Pipe and dressers too. All right, George, you're real slow. This could be the ticket.
Need more light, Chuck?
Nah.
No,
Real slow, man.
no, I gotta get on.
I'm gonna say it's hard to see it down there. Want a light, George?
Yeah.
Here. I don't need no light in here. Come on, baby.
Here it is.
Be good to daddy.
That's what she said here.
Be good to daddy. $2.
Christ, this probably needs a light.
I don't need that part. I want the night school.
She's tight.
Don't break it. Real slow. This long wait, I hope it's good news. Alright, we're down to a drip. That's what she said. Drip, 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 drip,
What you say,
drip.
you got the drip?
I got the drip.
Chuck Barron performing his
Yeah,
surgery move.
Push the red button so it's blinking. Jump.
It's blinking, Chuck.
This is for glory, baby.
Chuck, can I grab your wallet while you're there?
Well, yeah, it's on you, right?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know much about this thing. Chuck Barron doing the surgery. He does well. Here's the fine crew we work with here. We got George over there, the sniffer. That man, tell us the truth.
I'll be honest with you, I think Randy bought it. What's money? All right, boys, I'm liking this.
You gotta give it about 5 minutes.
We'll give it 10.
10 if you can.
Taste it in the concrete. Because, eventually this whole line's going to have to be, down the road. There's no doubt about it.
Hopefully the road is a long time away.
Yeah.
John, you might see it, but I probably won't see it.
Or your grandchildren. Something to look forward to.
Chuck, need some light down there?
Nah, I'm good. All right, let's pray.
What is that yoke? It's like a thread, isn't it?
We're praying to the pipe guys that works.
Father Barron.
Round 2. Is it a wrap, Mark?
It's a wrap.
Go ahead, Mark. You want to turn it on all the way?
Yeah, I can't find the shovel. There it is.
Mark, look this way.
Yep. Right next to the shovel.
Real slow, man.
Ready?
It'll work.
Go slow. Got a quarter turn one.
Nice and slow.
About halfway.
We're good, man. Hey, boss, we're good.
I knew you could do it, Chuck.
The water's on.
Got the kitchen.
George just said it'll work to everything.
It'll work.
It'll work. No problem.
It'll work. Always the action shot. Hey John,
Yes, sir.
I tried calling that number you gave me last job. What happened? You didn't answer.
513-3900.
Oh, is that the new number?
That's it.
Alright, I'll call that one now. John told me to call 513-3900.
I'm going to transfer that number to them so it's easier for the customers. They don't have to company to a new number.
This way, Marty Joe.
Don't worry about me, man.
I want to get it.
Nah.
You're done there, man. Chuck and I got another one.